Once people know the word has eternal life, they hold on to that words and it changed them and then it transformed them to become the people that people never know. Does that word change you? Or does that word still have impact in you? When was the first day that the words have impact in you? Now you become a Christian and year pass by, do you still have the zeal and the patience to serve Him? Or you just sit in a church just waiting for the day to come? When was the last time that you read a Bible verse and it moved you? And it changed you? And it changed the way you see the world. It changed the way you see your family. It changed the way you see the people around you. And it motivates you too much. It motivates you so much to the point that it gives you the will and the desire to do something that is impossible. Does it work still have